In the world of mature parenthood, snack time presents unexpected challenges and charming shenanigans. While one might imagine a serene snack moment, reality often paints a different picture. Picture this: orchestrating a simple afternoon respite. The first hurdle, choosing a snack that's both appealing and nutritious, often met with protests and negotiation. Then comes the pièce de résistance, unexpected spills or crumbles that defy gravity, inevitably finding their mark. Yet amidst the chaos, there's laughter, an unplanned bonding over shared mishaps. These snack time escapades remind us to embrace life's irregular delights, where resilience and humor shape the fabric of joyful family memories.